Okay, still on math basics, we have an example of the same variables being divided by the same variable with different exponent. Okay, next naman natin, let's try to attend to the opposite. For example, we are multiplying this time, no? X raised to the third power or x cubed divided by multiplied by x raised to the second power or x squared. We will just do the opposite, no? Since the same variable, ang gagawin natin, we will just copy the variable x, the same x, right? But what will we do now, no? Instead of subtracting, what we will do is we add. Yeah, add mo yan. No? So it will look like this. 3 plus 2. X raised to 3 plus 2. The answer will become x to the 5th power. Ganun lang ka-simple, no? If it's division, what do you do with the exponent? You subtract. You subtract the second from the first. Okay? 3 minus 2. Dito naman, if it's multiplication, what do? We add. Okay? X to the third multiplied by x squared, what do? We add the exponent. 3 plus 2, or x raised to the 3 plus 2, the answer will be x to the 5th power. Okay?